We've had this water trailer here for at least 10 years. We're going to upgrade it, put a trash pump on it. I should be able to pump 100 gallons a minute. It's a 300-gallon tank, so 3 minutes, I got 3 minutes to put out a fire. But really what we'll use it for is remote watering. Hope you enjoy the video. I bought this trash pump 2 years ago. It's amazing how long it takes to get around to your projects on a ranch. But in the summertime in Texas, there's really nothing more enjoyable for me than just playing in the water. It leaks a little bit when I first start the season. When I put water in here, it'll drip. But after a week or so, it quits dripping. This is my sight glass. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. There's the water. It's full. Man, what a breakfast. I love this country breakfast after I was outside watering with my rebuilt water trailer. Life is good. And what do we have? Dewberry jelly, homemade.
Wild dewberry jelly, cucumbers, and tomatoes, all out of the garden. We are blessed.